Blender 5 makes adding a lattice really easy. Simply select the object or objects that you wish to deform, press Shift A and choose Lattice Deform Selected. As you can see, a lattice modifier has been added, letting you non-destructively adjust the shape of the objects. Increasing the lattice resolution gives you finer control over the shape. It works well in combination with proportional editing. You can also use lattices to animate objects by moving them through the lattice. To do that, shape the lattice in object mode and animate the location of the object. Then parent the object to the lattice with Ctrl-P Lattice Deform. And then adjust the lattice in edit mode. By reducing the resolution of the lattice, you can make it two-dimensional. Now, if you add a Shrink-Wrap modifier to the lattice, you can project the object onto any surface. To minimize distortion, I recommend aligning the object and the lattice as close as possible to the surface prior to using the Shrink-Wrap modifier.